Good job, Joshy. Good job, Daddy. Go, Joshy, go. Go, Joshy, go. Joshy, soccer player. Woo! Daddy scored a goal. Joshy scored a goal too. Gol Ecuador. Woo! So powerful, you knocked the goal over. We got a homemade goal and a store-bought goal. Do they fit together? Probably not, right? They're about the same size. Woo! Goal! Good job, Joshy! Joshy got excited about his goal, Daddy. Esther, soccer time!
Come on, Jessie.
Daddy, son, soccer time. Olita.
What? Come on, Jessie.
I wonder if I'll have to buy a rake for fall. For all these leaves. Okay. Oh, with baby dolls and with dirt.
And they're playing with dirt.
Oh,
Yeah, but the dirt is pretend sand.
it's pretend sand. Oh, I like it.
Because our dolls are going to
Whee! Whee!
be careful, camera.
Are you having fun?
Be careful, camera. Don't let it too far.
So you're making a sandcastle?
Yeah. Look at our sandcastle.
Oh, I love it.
Let's make it a big Let's make a sandcastle right here.
Whee! Whee!
I don't want to.
Pick the thing that's her.
No one's here.
She doesn't like to go too high.
Okay, I want to have my turn. I have.
Oh, Esther wants a turn after Joshy. Watch out, don't get hit by the swing.
I'm gonna be over here.
You're on a big giant swing. Hi, Joshy. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Ooh.
Come on, Jessie, kick it. Kick it. Right here. No, kick it harder.
Kick it hard.
You have to kick it, mijito. Come on.
Kick it with your foot.
Kick it, kick it. Kick it, kick it.
Ready for a soccer team?
I
Mama?
found the tool.
Oh, thanks so much.
Kick it,
I want tool.
No, it's mine.
Over here.
Thanks.
Kick it, mijito. Go, pick it, tita.
Mommy, one tool.
One more time,
Be
Vicky.
right back.
Slow down,
The
Mom.
ball.
No, you're supposed to kick it, baby.
Go. You have to kick it from over there.
Kick it from far away. Kick it hard. Don't pick it up with your hand. No,
Right there,
no
kick
moving
it,
it with your
kick
hands. Just kick it.
Kick it.
Kick it hard. Yeah! You did it, Deborah. Aw, baby. Good job.
Come on,
big
Jesse.
girl.
Kick it hard, Raheem. Kick it. Come on. Stand up. Kick it hard. Another time.
Woo!
Go,
Yay!
Joshi.
He just wanted the hug too. Good job.
Yay! Joshi. This one, Joshi.
Yeah.
Oh, piquitita.
No, it has to be like this.
Woo.
Go, Joshi. Yay.
Yay.
Good job, piquitita.
Woo. Good job, big girl.
Se alegra la mano.
Yeah.
They love soccer with daddy. Woo! Soccer pros, soccer pros. That's why soccer is better than baseball or football. 'Cause you just easy rules, man. Get the soccer ball in the goal. Easy rules. Thanks.
Come on, Joshi. Kick it up. Kick it hard. Yay.
Yeah, now ready.
But you have to kick it from far away from him.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
I think their favorite part is the hug.
They're enjoying the hug.
Yeah, they're like, okay, if I kick the ball in the goal, I'm gonna give my daddy a big hug. Yay!
Joshi, here's another one, Joshi.
Another ball.
Don't need any more Band-Aids.
Oh, no more Band-Aid because you're too strong for that stuff, huh?
Come on.
¡Golas, Ecuador!
What's me?
3 balls. Just kick it with your feet. Don't move it with your hands.
Good job, piquitita.
Aw,
I got
almost.
your turn now.
Woo! Big and gold.
Yeah.
Trevor got a goal.
Piquitita, man.